So here guys, try our new rides, Diamond Flying Fox and Diamond Swing. It's the highest, longest, and best view in Bali. So, if you want to try something scary like that one, like ano yun tawag dun? Basta yung ano yung swing, yung zipline, yeah, yung zipline I mean. So, dito yung pinaka-highest at pinakahaba. So this is the perfect area for that thing. It's Diamond Beach. Ayan guys, tapos na kami. So, next.
No, weather is good.
We're going back. Yeah. Tapos yung weather is okay na. So, ayan guys. So, babalik na kami sa...
This big wave.
Yeah.
Down there, right?
Oh yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, it's big wave.
Here is your glasses.
Ah, okay. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's fine. Welcome. Okay. Let's go. Ayan guys, nandito na kami sa may port, sa may ferry, speedboat. So 1 hour yung biyahe kanina. Yeah, parang 1 hour and then yeah, more than 1 hour yung biyahe after nung Diamond Beach. Asan yung boat? Where's our boat? Yeah. Ah yeah, this one the guy. So yun guys, yung namin, tour guide namin. So we're going back. Yeah, it's already 4:28 in the afternoon. So, grabe. Ang haba ng biyahe pero worth. Yeah, ang daming tao. Parang crowded guys. Ang daming tao. Pauwi.
Kita yang mana?
It's okay? Yeah. Yeah, okay.
Hello, Exton. Oh, yeah, come here.
Ate. Black one.
बस अब यहाँ से आगे नहीं जा पाएंगे भाई.
Are you sure? This one, right? We're going now, right? I think we're going now, right?
Yeah, we are going.
Yeah.
Blue one.
Yeah, blue one. Blue team is always for the win. Ayan, may pa-scan. Haba ng pila, guys. Sorry. Friendly. Mga 30 minutes yung biyahe papunta sa sa may sa dun sa pabalik sa area by boat. So matutulog lang ako. Yeah, matutulog ako sa speedboat ferry.
ये लड़की जो है ना इसी के साथ आए हम, मतलब ये हम नहीं गई थी होटल में, तो इसने प्राइवेट टूर ले रखा था, तो हमने इसी के साथ.
And then hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko mamaya.
बहुत अच्छी है ये, फिलीपींस की है.
Maybe I will go to some clubs or bars.
ऊपर ब्लॉग बनाते हैं.
But I don't know. I'm not sure yet. But just keep watching and then ma-update kayo guys.
ब्लॉग करते हैं.
And guys, we just arrived. So, inaantay kami ng driver namin. Yung driver namin kanina umaga. So, pabalik na kami sa hotel. Yeah. So, yun yung driver namin, guys.
Now weather is good.
Yeah, now it's sunny.
Or in morning,
Hi, Kuya.
Hi.
Yeah, in morning it's raining.
Yes.
So, we're gonna drive 1 hour, right? Going back?
Going back. Yeah, estimation
Yeah,
1 hour.
1 hour.
Because it's traffic.
And how about tomorrow? What time we gonna go?
Tomorrow, I think this is 9 or 10. Up to you. You
Guys, what
together
time?
for
Yeah,
tomorrow?
together, yeah. What do you want? Like 9 or 10?
9 or 10. I
you
finish
tell
your
you
breakfast.
comfortable.
I finish your breakfast. Up to you.
Yeah,
Maybe-
9 is okay.
Yeah, 9.
Yeah, 9. It's perfect, yeah.
Yeah, 9 is okay.
And guys, nakauwi na kami dito sa sa hotel. So, kaka-check-in ko lang kanina. And then, iba na yung hotel ko. Ito na yung bagong hotel ko. So, hindi na yung dati. So, yan. Pagod ako. And then, yeah, tignan nyo naman yung tsura ko. Diba? I look tired so much. Grabe yung, yung Nusa Penida. It's a must-visit place. Napakaganda, promise. So, ayan guys. Thank you for watching. And then, please don't forget to subscribe. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, Mega's Travel Diaries. And please like, comment, and share also. Para sa mga more videos pa. Sorry guys, I look tired. Okay. Yeah, just keep update. I will keep you updated, guys. Sorry. Okay, thank you.